Okay, why we need to do cleaning validation?
Make sure that that SOP is
Effectively working. Okay, but what is the objective? What are the objective of doing cleaning validation? The very first one is what? You want to make sure there's no residues carrying over from one batch to the another one. Okay, or even if you carry over certain residue, it has to be less than certain limit. And that's what you're checking when you're doing testing on the cleaning equipment. Okay, so you need to avoid cross-contamination. That is the first objective of doing cleaning validation. Okay, and number two, when you are actually making sure there's no residues carrying over to one batch to another, you are also in compliance with what? Regulatory requirement. Okay, is validation, I'm asking you, is validation do you think it's a regulatory requirement? Absolutely, it is a regulatory requirement. Okay, so without doing validation, you cannot demonstrate your process is working consistently. Okay, and when you're doing cleaning validation on your system, you are actually giving the quality assurance, right? You are assuring your system is free from residue, so people can go with confidence and they can use the system. Okay, and the next reason for you to do cleaning validation is what? To minimize non-compliance work, right? The moment you have issues within your, product or system or process, it will create what? Investigation, it will create deviation, right? So the more you give importance for validation, you can actually reduce non-compliance work. Therefore, you can easily get, approval to release your product to the market. And plus, you will be in compliance of the regulatory inspection as well. Okay? And as I told you, when it's come to cleaning validation, you can do cleaning validation for
NACPT PharmaCollege is affiliated and partnered with many leading pharmaceutical and cannabis companies where NACPT graduates have been exploring their careers in various dimensions. The industrial cannabis production technology, and cannabis quality control and quality assurance diploma programs will cover from cannabis plant research, cannabis regulatory compliance to cannabis investment and sales and cannabis process qualification. NACPT PharmaCollege is very competent and confident in the field of training and willing to bring a very bright future through its quality education and training programs to all the students. Thank you for watching. Follow us on social media for updates.